Madaraka Day celebrations, Narok was the lucky county this year to host the 56th Madaraka Day celebrations in line with the rotational model of national holiday celebrations happening outside Nairobi. Joanne Leting paints for us the picture of the celebrations in Narok.
Pomp, color and high expectations characterize today's celebrations here in Narok. Kenyans from this county of great diversity and other parts of the country came out in large numbers to celebrate Kenya's self-rule.
Because of their struggle, we are a free people.
The beautiful Maasai shuka and the colorful traditional shanga lit up the newly renovated stadium. Security had been beefed up and there was no space for error as the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Republic would grace the occasion. As President Uhuru Kenyatta's motorcade snaked into the stadium, the event officially kicked off. He waved and smiled at the huge crowd aboard this ceremonial armored vehicle. A beautiful parade by members of the different forces wowed the crowd. And when members of the public were allowed into the stadium, there was a stampede. At the end of the ceremony, vehicles ferrying the dignitaries snaked out, giving expectant Kenyans a closer glimpse of their leaders. To some, their expectations had been met, and to others, it marked the end of a holiday, symbolizing the beginning of a day to return to the grind. Joanne Leting, KTN News in Narok County.